All about affiliate marketing in 2021. We spend years hustling for a degree and then get stuck to a boring old 9 to 5 job. Sounds terrible, right? But what if we told you that you could make money anytime and from anywhere in the world, even while you are asleep? Yes, you heard that right. This is how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is a trendy tactic to drive sales while generating significant online revenue. Affiliate marketing can be both beneficial to brands and based on affiliate marketers. Why affiliate marketing? About 81% of brands and 84% of publishers in the United States leverage the potential of affiliate marketing. This statistic will continue to increase as affiliate marketing spending increases every year in the United States. In 2020, affiliate marketing in the United States reached about $6.8 billion. After Amazon's affiliate structure was modified in 2017, Amazon provides 1% to 10% of product revenue to affiliate marketers, providing them with the opportunity to drastically increase their passive income. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how to get started. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is the process through which an affiliate earns commission by marketing another person or company's products. The affiliate's task is simple. They search for a product they like, promote that product, and earn a piece of profit with every sale. Affiliate marketing sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. The affiliate marketing channel works by escalating the responsibilities involved in product marketing and creation across parties. It thus manages to leverage the potential of individuals for an effective marketing strategy while giving the contributors a commission or a share of profit. To make affiliate marketing work, these three parties must be involved. Number 1. Seller or product creator. The seller or the product creator is the manufacturer, otherwise known as the brand. The seller doesn't need to directly involved in the marketing process. But in some cases, the seller can also be the advertiser and share profit from the revenue sharing associated with affiliate marketing. For instance, the seller could be an e-commerce website that operates a drop shipping website. Number 2. The affiliate. The affiliate, also known as a publisher, could be an individual or a company that markets the seller's products in an appealing way to the customers. Thus, the affiliate promotes the product and persuades the customers that the product will be beneficial to them. If the customer is convinced and ends up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. Number 3. The consumer. The consumer is what drives the affiliate marketing force. When consumers are interested in a product and buy it, the seller and the affiliate make money from it. How do affiliate marketers make money? Affiliate marketers make money in 3 ways. Number 1. Pay per sale. This is the standard affiliate marketing structure. In this structure, the seller pays the affiliate a portion of the sale price of the product after the consumer buys it. Number 2. Pay per lead. In this structure, the affiliate is compensated on the basis of the conversion of leads. Here, the affiliate has to convince the consumer to visit the seller's website and complete the desired action. Number 3. Pay per click. This structure incentivizes the affiliate to redirect customers from their marketing platform to the seller's website. How to get started as an affiliate marketer? First, develop a rapport. When you start your career as an affiliate marketer, you will have to cultivate an audience that shares the same interest. This will help you to tailor your affiliate campaigns to a target audience, thus increasing the likelihood that you will earn a commission. Number 2. Review products and services. You can make affiliate marketing personal by promoting the products you like. Start reviewing products and services that interest you and then tell your audience why they would benefit from purchasing that particular product. Make sure that you generate detailed and articulate reviews that can convince your audience. Number 3. Use several sources. Instead of focusing on just one campaign like an email campaign, Reach out to your audience using other sources. You can create a blog or engage with your audience through social media sites such as Instagram, or even look into cross channel promotions. Test out various marketing strategies to determine what will work best for you and your audience. Number 4. Choose your campaigns with care. You should always choose your campaigns with care. When you market a bad product or a product you don't believe in, you will become less authentic as an affiliate marketer. Thus, make sure you research before promoting a product. Number 5. Stay updated with trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is competitive. You should try to stay on top of trends if you want to outperform your competitors. Thus, make sure that you stay up to date with new products in the market and the latest marketing techniques. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.